Another day, another package. Kung kagaya ko kayo na sumasakit ang ulo or laging nakatitig sa screen ng over 4 hours, this is something that you guys need to have. Nakita ko lang to dito sa TikTok. Sabi ko, ay, bet, kukuha tayo, day. And after, I think, ang bilis na shipping nito. I think 1 or 2 days lang siya. Tapos, andito na. Kusan. Ay, nice. It comes with a bag. Inside the bag is the plastic of the actual eyeglasses. See? So, although ito, medyo manipis yung plastic niya, but all good na rin kasi dito ko lang naman siya sa bahay gagamitin. But this is the eyeglasses that I got from Yiwu Yuan Tong Mama. Hindi ko naintindihan yung pangalan. Pack. Let us check. Ay, ka-nice man, uy. The side, as you can see, design is giving. Let's try. Oh, Miss Minchin, sino ka dyan? Love most about the eyeglasses. This is Okialis anti-blue light, photochromic, anti-radiation glasses. Sana natatandaan ko siya ng tama. But, this is round and kung kagaya ko kayo na malapad, ang lakas maka-Miss Minchin ng atake nito. So, imagine if I'm wearing my headset na ganyan. Oh, girl, sino ka dyan? Mukha tayong matalino. Plus, at the same time, guys, for the past couple of weeks, I have been experiencing like super heavy migraines. So, sabi ko, I need to find glasses na hindi kagaya nung isang glasses ko kasi hindi naka-anti-radion. But this one, I can wear, especially when my eyes are kind of feeling tired. Anyway, ilalagay ko siya sa yellow basket if you guys feel like you need something similar. I highly recommend this kasi yung quality niya, hindi siya heavy sa mukha. Very lightweight siya, but at the same time, I can really feel na it should work for me. I will keep you guys posted and probably post another video after maybe a month just to see if it helped my migraines.